It has been over a month since Donald Trump trained his guns at the World Health Organization. He alleged a blatant pro-China bias, and now the Trump administration has blocked a vote at the UN Security Council. The US reportedly had a problem with the phrase calling for support to UN bodies, especially the WHO. The vote called for a ceasefire in various countries around the world so that they can focus on fighting the coronavirus. The resolution, which had been put up by France and Tunisia, was being negotiated between member nations for over 2 months now. The Security Council vote would have pushed for a 90-day humanitarian pause in conflict-ridden countries in order to focus on the coronavirus crisis. But that vote was put on hold. News agency AFP, citing sources, has said that even the US had agreed to the resolution earlier, but backed out at the last minute. The role of the WHO has become a major point of contention between the US and China amid the coronavirus pandemic. The US reportedly had a problem with the phrase calling for support to UN bodies, especially its health agency. The U.S. State Department sources reportedly told the news agency that the only way the resolution could be endorsed was if it stuck to the support for ceasefire. U.S. government sources said that the resolution should be reworded along the lines of the initial draft, which called for commitment by the member countries for transparency in the global battle against the coronavirus. The U.S. had threatened to use its veto if support to the WHO would have been mentioned in the document. Meanwhile, China had been threatening to use its own veto if the WHO was not mentioned in any form. The US government sources said that China had repeatedly blocked compromises that would have allowed the Council to move forward. The US has been the biggest contributor to the WHO, providing more than $400 million each year in funding. President Donald Trump, who is facing intense criticism over the handling of the crisis, has tried to shift the blame to the World Health Body. Last month, Trump said that the U.S. would stop its contribution to the WHO, accusing it of shielding China. Now, as a result of this intensifying blame game between the two sides, the United Nations vote calling for a ceasefire in countries around the world stands blocked. The UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has been calling for this de-escalation in tensions for over 2 months now, urging all sides in the conflict to lay down arms and allow these war-torn countries to focus on the COVID-19 fight.
Political moment on several fronts.